Hey, I'm coming to you from Prodigy School of the Arts with your lesson recap of measures 8 through 16 of Stargazer by Melody Bover. I'm going to pick up at measure 8, where we left off the last two notes, finger number 2 on F, stepping up. Okay. Now, together with this A flat, we're going to play C with that. And come back to the F and back to the C. That brings us here to F with our thumb. And with our fourth finger, we're going to play B flat. Play another F, so it's two Fs. And we're going to play the A flat with that. Now from here, we're going to switch our pinky to the A flat. And we're in the perfect position right there to play our E flat and B flat with it. I'm going to use my second finger because we have to actually play here the G in between. So these two fingers are going to swap out. These two are going to hold on. Okay, that brings us to measure number 12. Okay, where we're then going to start over again. The part that we previously learned, measure 4, 5, 6, and 7 are going to repeat. And there'll be something new at measure 8. Well, in this case, that'll be measure 16. Okay. Remember this from before? Now, remember here, we played this chord. This would be what we played in measure 8. But instead, we're going to do so that's going to be F and C. Okay, and that will be concluding the right hand up to measure 16. Let's take a look at the left. In the left hand, we will be starting at measure 9. We're starting on F, and then I'm just going to talk about our pinky right now. Finger 5 is going to be on F. Then we're going to do the same pattern down on D, and then we're going to go up to E. So let's start on the F, and I want you to stretch out 1 octave from F to F, and you'll notice that finger number 2 will naturally land on C. So we're just going to go up and back. Just same notes. This is a very easy pattern. I'm going to repeat it. Keep the spacing the same and repeat it at D. Oops, sorry. Let me do that again. So starting on F. And now we're going to E. Pattern's going to change. We're going to, instead of using our second finger, we'll be using our third. So this is B flat. So E flat, B flat, E flat. That's our octave. And now we're going to go touch the F and come back. So that'll be here. Okay. After that, we're going to be repeating material we did in measure 5, 6, and 7. Measure 8 will bring something new. Well, in this case, that'll be measure 16. Okay. So let's get started right there. We go to the A. Remember this part we did before? And then, so you recall we did this, right, just like this. And then we moved over, right? And we moved back. And then before we went back to the original notes that we did, that we started on. But instead of going back here from here, we're going to just go here to the F, the A and the F, because we're just going to be moving up right there. And that basically is the whole recap tutorial for measures 9 through 16. I want to remind you to practice every day, because you'll find that once you start getting into the habit of doing that, everything opens up and becomes a lot easier.